Here I have OPPO AX7 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, you should open the settings, then find and select language and region. And now, by tapping on language, you can select one from the following languages. The list is pretty wide, so there's almost every language, or even all of them. So let me pick, for example, Polish. Once you select the preferable language, just tap on Done and change to Polish. Great. Now you can see that all menu details and everything is in Polish. If you would like to go back to English, just select the settings one more time, then go to language and region, which is język and region. It's a letter over here. And now go to język. And here go back to English, UK, United States, which one you prefer, and tap on here on Done, which here it's gotowe. Confirm it by tapping on the first tab, which is Zmień na angielski. And that's it. Now you're back in English. You can also change the region, so let's go back to language and region, then select region, and one more time from this wide list you can select the region that you would like to set up. So it can be, for example, Australia. And that's it. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.